Hi guys, it's Ramon Arciniega, sales professional with Permian Ford. Thank you for browsing our inventory.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include premium sound system, leather seats, heads-up display, cooled seats. With these ratings,
looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2012 GMC Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, electronic stability control, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, traction control, engine immobilizer, remote keyless entry. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Thank you for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 575-393-6176.